Hello everybody, out today at the range, a little bit of Lcp2 action after work. It's pretty much my favorite gun right now. It's cheap to shoot, it's challenging to shoot well. The ammo's coming back. I've basically shot Walmart stuff through it, and it's good to go with that. So, white box, not my favorite. Seem to have a little bit of leading problem with that stuff lately. Barrel. Golden bullets, good. It's out of a bucket, just small container. Auto match, good. Yeah, just a lot of fun to shoot. Now, this is my little happy place, and it's about 90 degrees, about 90% humidity. But a nice little breeze. You gotta watch out here because we're supposed to be getting a thunderstorm here pretty quick. But I just like to come out here at least once a week, usually Wednesday. Just shoot some rounds off. Usually about probably 150, 200 sometimes. I don't know. I don't really keep track, but it's a lot of fun. Here we go. Well, I guess I won't win any one-handed shooting contest, but still fun. All right. Well, catch you later.